Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. Um, and we apologize for not being able to come on live yesterday. So we had, technical issues. We strongly apologize for that. So, as usual, we're going to be analyzing the market, and we will be looking out for possible entry opportunities. Okay. Um, as you all know, Tuesdays and Thursdays is for beginner session. So, but today is going to be a mix. Okay. So what I'm going to do today is, it's going to be a mix of, um, teaching and placing trades. Okay. So we'll be looking out for possible entry opportunities. I'll be explaining why we are taking the setup, and if it's a good trade, we are going to place the trade. So guys, make sure to have make sure to have enough balance in your account. If you don't have enough capital, go ahead and fund your account on this live stream. And to do that, make sure to have to do that just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. All right. So if you click on the banner and make deposit, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. And another good news is I'm hosting a trading challenge. Okay. So the trading challenge is for us to grow our accounts together. Somebody asked me a few weeks ago, I think that was early last month, April. Somebody was asking me if it's possible to grow $20 to $1,000. Yes, it is very, very, very possible. The most important thing is to have a good risk management, and that is exactly why I came out, with this challenge. So how this challenge is going to play out is we are starting with $20, but our aim right now is to grow the account to $100. All right, and we will be doing it together. So fund your account with $20 using the deposit with benefit banner. If you click on the deposit with benefit banner right now, it will take you to where you can fund your account. Now, if you fund your account with $20, you'll be contacted by Miss Bella. You'll be added to the premium group. Okay. Now, when you get to the premium group, we will be trading together. Okay. So our aim is to grow the $20 to $100 for 30 days. Now, after the 30 days, we are going to be talking about how to grow it $100 to $1,000. That is the aim. All right. So guys, please join me. Let's trade the forex market. Let's try and make money from the forex market. And the most important thing is having somebody to guide you. Okay. If I had this kind of opportunity when I was just starting out, trust me, I could have made it sooner than now. All right. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say here. So if you have a guidance, if you have somebody that is actually guiding you, putting you through, what to do and what not to do, trust me, the learning will be faster. Okay, and that is what I am trying to achieve here. So all you need to do is just fund your account with at least $20, and then let's start the challenge. The challenge is starting tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, which is Wednesday, by God's grace. So we are starting, and make sure to fund your account. You'll be added to the premium group. We'll be sharing signals. I'll be sharing the signals. You guys will be sharing pictures back to back. All right. So please join the challenge. All right. So if you have any question regarding the challenge, you don't know how to fund your account, just tell me. I'll tell you who to contact, to guide you on how to go about it. But just make sure you join the challenge. Let's grow $20 to $100 in 30 days. All right, so for today, we're going to be analyzing the market, as I've said earlier, and we'll be looking for entry opportunities. Now, let's head on to the Forex chart. Okay, so I'm currently on XAU USD. This is the gold market. So yesterday I took a double market. I said the market was going to sell and buy. And do you know what happened? The market actually bought. Okay, it bought from here, and when it gets to this zone, the market sold. Okay, the market sold, and it's still selling right now. So I'm expecting the market to come back to this level, because here we have I don't want to mention, since this is a beginner friendly class, I don't want to start mentioning terms that the newbies would not understand. Okay, so let me just do my thing silently, and then I share the one that is useful to you. I share it with you. All right. So if you look at the chart here, okay, if you look at the chart here, let me just look at this. So I'm expecting the market to come back to this zone. Okay. If you look at the chart clearly, we had a breakout. As you can see, this is my trend line. Okay, this is my lower trend line. All right. This is my trend line, and this is where the market had broken out from. So now I believe the market to come back to this zone. You see, here, to retest the trend line before moving down. Okay. So I think the market will come here before doing this. So right now I'm waiting for the market to actually make it move to the upside. Okay, I'm waiting for the market to make it move to the upside. And once we get an uptrend movement, once we get a movement to this resistance zone here, then we can sell from there. Okay, this is a support trend line, but after the break, it becomes a resistance trend line. So I'm expecting the market to buy back to the resistance, to the support trend line, turning the support trend line to a resistance trend line, and then sell down from there. All right. So we have analysis on XAU USD. All right. So let's make analysis on other instruments. Let's make analysis on other instruments. So this is BTC USDT. Okay, this is BTC USDT. And as you can see from here, the market has been moving bullish. Okay, breaking highs and lows. Breaking highs, sorry. Okay, when the market is moving bullish, it keeps breaking highs, not lows. So what I'm expecting from this market right now is very simple. the market had previously went up, or rather, let's use the trend line instead. So as you can see from the trend line, let me delete this. We have these zones that had red are areas where the market respected the trend line. Okay, these are areas where the market has respected the trend line. Okay, so these are zones where the market had previously respected our trend line. So we have this first touch here. We had the second touch, and then right now the market is touching it for the third time. If I had seen this earlier, my entry would have been on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, my entry would have been from here or from here, and I will be making profit right now. So my profit would have been like this. You see, you see, my entry could have been from here. My stop loss will be here. That is, if I'm entering from here, my stop loss will be here, just a little bit below this level. And then my take profit will be, I don't want to go too far. Let's just say 3.0. You see, I would have taken profit. Yeah, I would have made profit from this trade. But the trade is still valid actually. And the reason is because we have a double bottom. Okay, we have a double bottom. So what does double bottom mean is, you see, we have this, we have this. So it's called, combination of the two is called double bottom. The reason why they call it double bottom is because they are both down. Okay, and what that simply means is that the momentum for a buy is very strong now. Okay, so the market try pulling down two times. After the first, pull down, the market rejected from the zone. Then the sellers try to pull it down. Okay, go further down than that again, but no, the buyers still were too strong for the sellers to overcome. Then the market continued to buy. So any area where we have a double bottom, the market will always uh, buy. Okay, the market would most time buy. I'm not saying the level still can be broken. Yes, the market can still break the level, but for at least a while, it will buy and then you'll be able to make your profit. All right. So that is the analysis on BTC USDT. And the reason why I can't open this trade right now is because, as you can see, the market has moved a bit up. Okay, the market has moved up a bit. And if we want to start, you know, uh, if we want to start buying right now, it's not really going to make sense because our entry is going to be here, you see, and our stop loss is definitely going to be here. And guys, trust me, this is BTC USDT. You don't want to do this, okay? You don't want to place your take profit, your stop loss, in this kind of way. This is too wide, okay? The stop loss here is too wide. Even with 0.01, your stop loss here can be $10 to $15. Trust me. So that is why we always look out for sniper entries on the crypto instruments. Okay. All right. So let's analyze another instrument. Let's analyze BNB USDT. All right. So we've analyzed XAU USD, which is gold. We've analyzed BTC USDT. Now let's do for BNB USDT. Okay, so I like the setup here. I like the setup. As I've said earlier, I don't want to complicate things with, you know, by mentioning terminologies that you won't be able to understand. Okay. I don't want to use terms that you would not be able to understand. So what I'll do instead is use terms that is beginner friendly. Okay. So I'm going to be using terms that is beginner friendly, right? So we have the market from this zone to this. So let's see what happened here. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Wow. Guys, I'm going to buy this market. I'm going to buy this trade. So if you want to go in with me, let's open a buy position on BNB USDT. Okay, let's open a buy position on BNB USDT. So we are buying BNB USDT. All right. We are buying BNB USDT. Right. So we have something here that is pulling the market down, but I don't think it's going to hold this because we have a major zone. Okay. I don't think it's going to hold. We have a major zone there. And guys, please make sure to protect your capital. Okay. So don't over leverage. Don't use a take profit. Don't use okay. So I'm going to give you take profit and stop loss, right? I'm going to give take profit and stop loss for this trade. So let me quickly set my take profit to see my take profit and my stop loss. Okay, so the stop loss is about $2. All right, so if you can see this, please you can go ahead and set your take profit and your stop loss. So this is the stop loss, and this is the take profit. You see here it says profit level and stop level. So this is our stop loss. This is our take profit. Okay, but don't worry if you can't see it clearly. I'll still share the take profit and the stop loss. I'm going to write it out. Okay. All right. So our trade is still running. All right. So I'm going to copy out the take profit. So that's my take profit. And this is my stop loss. So guys, if you took the trade immediately, I send the instruction. You should be in profit by now. All right, you should be seeing profit by now. All right, so we are still holding on. We are still waiting. Okay. So we just need little profit, and then we are off the market. All right. Okay, so yes, the market is still pulling up, and we are not going to leave because we are currently scalping. Right? We are currently scalping in the group on the live. All right. All right. So guys, we are making profit. Okay, we are making profit. We are making profit. If you have anybody that is not making profit, go and invite them to come to this live. Okay, invite them to come to live. Invite them to come to Leo's live stream where they'll be making profit. Guys, we are making profit. I know how much I'm making right now. I opened this position with big lot sizes. Okay, and I'm doing that because I have the capital. All right. We are going to be closing positions very soon. Guys, secure profit now. Secure your profit now. Close your positions. Secure your profit, close your opened positions. We made profit. Okay, guys, we made profit. The market is still going up. We are still making profit. We made live profit. If you are here and you took the trade, congratulations. Close your positions. We made money. Okay. Even if it's just $1, $2 you made this money, trust me, it's a progress. If you are making $1 every hour, imagine how much you can make in a day. If you are making um if you are making let's say you're making 50 cents every hour, just imagine how much you'll be able to accumulate within a short period. So even if it's just $3, $5 you can accumulate in a week, trust me, um, is the best. Yeah, you are making the money slowly, but you definitely get there. Okay, so forex is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not something you do now and then by tomorrow you start counting millions. Okay, so there are steps to it. It has to be gradual. Okay, it has to be gradual. It has to be gradual. So join me. Let's analyze the market and look out for entry opportunities every day, Mondays to Friday. All right, Mondays to Friday. It is very important. And guys, as I've said earlier, we have a $20 trading challenge that is starting tomorrow. So guys, get your account ready. If you don't have, if you haven't funded your account, you have to fund your account, and you have to do it on this live stream. To be able to join the challenge, make sure you fund $20. Okay, fund up to $20. You can fund more than that. It doesn't matter. Okay, but make sure you fund up to $20. Okay, okay. It's starting from $20. If you want to fund $100, you're welcome to fund. You'll be added to the challenge. Okay, but you have to. Our starting balance has to be $20. Okay, our starting balance has to be $20. So guys, fund your account. I promise you we are going to raise the $20 to $100 in 30 days. Okay, it doesn't matter how much we make. All right. Our aim is to make at least $3 per day. At least $3 per day. So guys, make sure to fund your account and let's take our $20 to $100 within 30 days. Okay, guys, let's continue with our analysis. And if you have any question regarding the event, please make sure to ask your question here. We'll also be having also be having. All right, so make sure to fund your account using the deposit with benefit banner. So if you click on the banner right now, it will take you to the deposit page. Okay, you see the market is still moving forward. The market is still giving profit. We could have entered for the second shot. We could have entered, and if we had entered, we will be making more profit by now. But make sure to fund your account with $20 so you can join our challenge. All right. Our starting balance is $20. If you have more than $20, you can move the rest to, you can move your remaining balance to savings account. Okay, don't just withdraw it, just move it to savings account. If it's on savings account, you'll be making profit on that one also. Okay, you're making profit on the savings account while you are using the $20. While we are trying to grow the $20 to $100. All right. So guys, now let's go make more analysis. Let's go make more analysis. Right. We are currently on Ethereum USDT, and I think I've done the analysis here before. And then I said the market was going to move up, the market is going to buy, and the market is still buying. Same for ETC. Okay, we haven't done analysis on ETC, but the crypto instruments, always move with each other. So if one is buying, almost all of them is buying. If one is selling, almost all of them is selling. If they are not selling at the same time, they will be preparing to sell since the other one is already selling. All right, so let's analyze different instruments. Let's go back to gold. I think we have an analysis on gold. I don't know if it has started to play out. Okay, so we were waiting for gold to actually get to this point. Okay, we were waiting for gold to get to this point, but it hasn't. Okay, Gold is still uh, moving around, trying to get to the entry point. All right. So All right, sorry about that, guys. Let's continue with our analysis. So let's analyze trades um, that are not associated with, okay, different from the one we've analyzed before. Okay, let's start with, let's start from the top. So these are the forex instruments. So we are currently on AUDJPY. So on AUDJPY 4-hour time frame, we have this level right here. Let me drag it down here to here. So we have this level, and this is same level where the market has rejected previously. All right. So now the confirmation here will be for the candle to close below the moving average. So once we have a close below the moving average, we can open a sell position from here, right? So let's continue with our analysis. Okay. So this looks like a sell to me. We still have zones where the market needs to come back to close. So I think the market is going to sell a bit more. So this analysis was shared yesterday, and as you can see, the market is still buying. Okay, it actually bought to this level, and it's going to continue to buy. So we have Euro CHF. Let's see what the Euro CHF is currently doing. And the market had given us a double top. Okay, and the double top is an indication for sell, just as double bottom is an indication for buy. Okay. And the market is currently buying, it's currently selling after the double top. Okay. So after the double top, we also have a movement above. All right. Making that a triple top. So this double top, triple top, what they are trying to tell you is that the market is going to sell for a while. And as you can see on the chart, the market is currently selling. Right? The market is currently selling. Okay. But now this sell for me, I don't think it's going to last long. And the reason is because we have areas. Oh my God. I don't want to mention, as I've said earlier, I don't want to use terms, but I don't know. A part of me want to be using those terms, but I don't want to use it because it's a term used by professionals. And if I start using it, there are other questions that will be generated. So I'm not going to use those terms. I'm just going to, make use of simpler terms that tell you exactly what the market is doing without having to complicate things. Right? So as you can see here, we have you see we have another block which is a support zone here, and this was able to move the market up. And now that the market is coming down again, now we have multiple price zones where I think the market can actually reject from. So all these zones has been mitigated previously. Okay, this zone has been mitigated previously. Okay, so it was just a small mitigation. The market didn't actually go down to closing. Okay, so we have this move. What I'm going to do is I'll wait for the market, to actually make a proper reversal, which is the second reversal. And when that happens, I'm going to place a buy trade here, right? Because the way I see things right now, it looks like the market it looks like the market is trying to move from here. Okay, but I'm going to give this a chance. I'm going to wait for a second rejection, and once we do, I think we can actually place it here because this is exactly where it's happening. So the first one was actually because of this, which is a fair value gap. But right now, I think the market is trying to retest the other block. So let's just wait for a rejection. We have a minute and a few more seconds to the end of this candle. And at the end of the candle, if the market successfully rejects to the upside, we are going to open a buy position. Remember, we already have a one trade. Okay, we opened position on BNB USDT and we made profit. All right, we opened position on BNB USDT and we made profit. So a few seconds more to the end of the candle. Okay, so the candle closed, but we still have the long candle, and this doesn't seem like as if it's coming down anytime soon. So, guys, that is all for our session today. It's already 11 a.m. and our session is scheduled for 1 hour. So we started around 10 a.m. on the dot, and it's exactly 1 hour now. So that will be all for today, guys. And make sure to fund your account with $20 to be able to join the challenge. All right, to join the trading event. So I'll see you on the Telegram question and answer session by 11:30. Let's meet there, and if you have inquiry or question to ask, I'll be there live, and we'll be able to put heads together. So guys, that will be all for now. Bye.